In this video, we're going to show you how to set a folder for new attachments in Obsidian. Attachments such as images, PDFs, screenshots, documents, and other files are often an important part of your notes. Keeping these files organized can help maintain a clean vault structure and make it easier to locate resources when you need them. However, if attachments are saved in different locations throughout your vault, managing files can become confusing over time. This is especially true in larger vaults that contain hundreds or even thousands of notes and attachments. The good news is that Obsidian allows you to choose exactly where new attachments are stored, helping you keep your files organized automatically. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to set a dedicated folder for new attachments in Obsidian and improve the organization of your vault. So let's get started. The first step is to open Obsidian and access your vault. Next, click the Settings icon located in the lower left corner of the application. In the Settings menu, select the Files and Links section. Scroll down until you find the setting called Default Location for New Attachments. Click the drop-down menu next to this option. You'll see several choices for where attachments can be stored. To use a specific folder, select In the folder specified below. Once selected, a new field will appear allowing you to choose the folder location. Enter the name of the folder you want Obsidian to use for attachments. If the folder doesn't already exist, create it first within your vault. Many users create folders named Attachments, Assets, Images, or Media to keep uploaded files organized. After entering the name of the folder, close the settings window. From this point forward, whenever you add an image, PDF, screenshot, or other attachment to a note, Obsidian will automatically save the file in the folder you specified. This helps keep your vault cleaner and prevents attachments from being scattered throughout different folders. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open Settings and navigate to Files and Links. Second, locate the default location for new attachments setting. And third, select a specific folder where all future attachments will be stored automatically. Remember that organizing attachments is an important part of maintaining a clean and efficient Obsidian vault. Using a dedicated attachments folder can make files easier to manage, back up, and locate when needed. This is especially useful for users who regularly work with screenshots, images, PDFs, research materials, and supporting documents. Taking a few moments to configure attachment storage today can save considerable time and effort as your vault grows in the future. And that's how to set a folder for new attachments in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.